Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters from a point 5 centimeters away from its center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their lengths. In the given sum, draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. So now I am going to draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. Its center A. Now draw the radius AB. Now you have to measure radius AB. Whether you got 3 centimeters or not, we are checking. Now we got 2.6 centimeters. Actually, you have to draw 3 centimeters. So we have to draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. Okay, now we got a circle of radius 3 centimeters. Yes, now I have to take radius this side, I have to draw the tangent this side. I can rotate like this. I can rotate like this. Okay, this is radius 3, draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. That part completed. Now we are going to take a point C, exterior point C, 5 centimeters away from its center. For that, I am extending AB line segment 2 centimeters. I am producing AB line segment, producing 2 centimeters. Now we are going to measure whether we produce 2 centimeters or not. We are checking the measurement. BC measurement, we have to get exactly 2 centimeters you have to produce. So 2.1 we got. So we can exact measurement we got. You have to get. Okay, now we have taken point C, exterior point 5 centimeters away from its center. Now we have to draw the pair of tangents drawn from external point C. Through C, you are drawing pair of tangents, 2 tangents from external point C. For that, we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of AC. Now I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector of AC line segment. Now the intersection point of line segment AC and perpendicular bisector, label it as D. Now we are measuring DC line segment, AD equal to DC equal to, we have to get 2.5, then our construction is correct. So we are going to measure DC line segment. So we got 2.5 centimeters. So second step completed, we draw the perpendicular bisector of AC. And now the next step, step 3 is through D, draw another circle with the radius AD equal to DC equal to 2.5 centimeters. Now I am going to draw another circle with center D. Now it is passing through A and C. Now the intersection point of two circles labeled as E and F. Now draw the line segment, join EC and FC. Now we have to measure EC and FC. So we got 4 centimeters. FC also have to get 4 centimeters for verifying our construction. So EC equal to FC equal to 4 centimeters. Now this is the construction, two tangents drawn from an axonal point, two tangents drawn from an axonal point C. CE and CF are the two tangents drawn from an axonal point with center A. Understand? Okay. Now, once again, I'm going to explain. This is the theorem also, theorem 2 also. Tangents drawn from an axonal point of a circle, their lengths are equal. Draw a pair of tangents, draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters, 5 centimeters away from its center. You have to draw the pair of tangents. That construction we are going to draw. First, draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters and then produce the radius AB to C such that AC equal to 5 centimeters, second step. And the third step is draw the perpendicular bisector of AC line segment and the intersection point labeled as D. D as a center, we draw another circle. The intersection point of two circles labeled as E and F. Join CE and CF. By measurement, CE is equal to CF is equal to 4 centimeters. So thus the construction completed. The pair of tangents drawn from an axonal point C with center A. By measurement, CE is equal to CF equal to 4 centimeters. Thank you.